The tribe will awaken. We will fight for our ambitions. We will fight for our purpose. We will fight for transformation. Rise! Stand as one! Follow the light! Follow the light!
Kachima Yuyaksi Maai Simawing El Tseng Ni Chen Lucia Ni Lucia Chia Chia to water which Chen Chen. And the hardest part of all is transformation.
Basically kasi every year, parang dapat last year a little bit lighter, 'di ba? Pero this year gusto ko parang costumey, colorful. And then we rebranded HLM kasi into Health and Life. Naghahanap ako ng concept na pasok sa color, the vibrancy, tapos 'di ba Health and Life.
Si second set, medyo madugo ang trabaho nito ni floor directors because medyo malalaki ang mga props.
Yung tinitingnan ko talaga sa Avatar is yung agility, 'di ba? Ang kaganda ng form ng katawan. So, when we started the concept last January, ang nangyari is parang dapat ma-inspire ang mga employees na at the end of the year, maganda na yung hubog ng katawan. But the twist is, hindi nangyari.
The Avatar Awakening really started at the start of the year. Prior kasi, the actual design of the program started with Transform with Magic. Transform with Magic aligning each individual in the tribe in faith in God's magic as it is. And to end the year with pure transform and hardline transformation. We say transformation kasi it's something that is hard to come by. Easy sabihin na you can transform directly, but a lot of love handles pa in HLM, marami-rami pa, the belly fats and all. But with everything that has happened for the last few years, for every employee trying and looking forward to be the best.
It takes a lot of time para ma-form talaga yung body. It takes effort when it comes to diet, sleep, water, exercise, workout, 'di ba? You have to be consistent. Ang nangyari parang everyone was really overwhelmed. So, hindi na-achieve, including me. hindi ko nga na-achieve. So, parang may tweaking on the last part ng concept because parang naisip ko, okay. Kaya yung story na lang was about tribe-like na parang HLM should be a tribe-like culture company. Doon ko na lang kinuha yung concept ng pagiging tribe-like.
the awakening in James Cameron films really gave the idea that HLM is composed of different tribes, all with varying influences, all with varying traits. And each of these tribes work together in sync to ensure that the entirety of HLM is best defined as a collection of tribes that are distinct. Every single member in HLM all flows through one, just like in the films. The Navi flow through one in the spirit of Ewa. In HLM per se, every single employee flows through one, and that is transformation.
Parang gusto ko nandito ako, Miss Joy, pag nagsiset up para ang mga
Yep.
gilid-gilid.
Para mag-finalize good. Basta mag-abot, ma-adjust na po kay not to our liking.
Happy morning, HLM Tribe! Happy morning! Happy morning sa
Happy
inyong
ba?
lahat.
Happy
ba? Happy ba after all? Charot. Hindi pa ba nakamove on? Or nakamove on na ba ang lahat?
So, anong ganap today?
Yes, ang ganap ngayon ay mag-uusap tayo or ano, mag-uusap.
Behind the scenes.
Yung behind the scene. Okay, so, ano mang itatama?
Bakit ka ba nandito, Miss Joy? Anyway, si Miss Joy kasi, siya yung lead talaga when it
Yeah.
comes to the prod and everything. Ngayon ko sa, yeah.
Yeah, seryoso kasi John. John. Don't.
Miss Joy, pwede natin kausapin ang mga dancers kung kaya na ba ito sa aerial at saka sa lifting? Nandyan na sila.
So gusto mong mangyari from 30, you have 30. Ana, okay, hanggang sa mahulog sila, then the 2, 3. Let's switch it up, kaya.
Please, kung magdadala kayo ng cellphone, make it silent na ngayon na. No flash notifications. Anything na makita namin na makapag-disturb dun sa event, kahit ilaw pa yan ng cellphone nyo or flash, we will confiscate it. And you will get it December 7th.
Honestly, nung ginagawa namin yung event, alam ko na siya last year pa. Kasi sabi ni Sir, next year, Avatar tayo Sabi ko, okay, pero guest lang ako. Sabi ko nga, ganda-gandahan, di na ako mapapablu, ganyan. So, dumating yung time na I already, parang nakapasok na ako sa HLM as an employee. So, we did the mid-year, which is sabi ni Sir nun, simplihan lang natin simple. So sabi ko, okay, simple. So sa thinking ko, simple. So simple lang, dapat doon lang, ganyan lang. So sa standard pala ni LPR, simple is not, ang simple niya is beyond standard.
Yeah,
the
complete
simple.
package yung simple
Yes,
niya.
yung simple
Huwag
niya,
kang
bongga
sa-
sa iba. Tapos yung bongga niya, yung hindi na papapantayan ng iba.
Oo,
so gano'n
yun.
yung simple niya, parang simple sa kanya, bongga sa iba.
Ako kasi from the very beginning, parang pag gusto ko, what I want is what I want, and win, ano nga yung mantra ko? Win or win. If I want something, ito yung laging sinasabi ng father ko before, na para kung sa Bisaya pa, kabuton gyud daw nako ang mga bituon sa langit, maskin lisod na kay kabuton. Di gyud ko makalimot ana nga ningon siya. Pero sa ako amang good, I don't know, innate siguro, or it's really wisdom and blessing na ako ani nga vision. I have this kind of mindset. Yung nasa likod urong pa here sa side. Tama.
Sa likod.
Tapos ang three forward ng light.
dikit. Yes.
Perfect.
As well as the...
Yun, ilipat. Tapos volcano here.
Yes.
Tapos, Joe?
So, what was your initial reactions or impressions about the said concept?
Very in doubt. I'm basically a realist in any point. I said to myself, ka-imposible ba na? That there is very impossible. I would say it's impossible. Why? Una, how do you get to tell employees or how do you get to inform employees that they'll be wearing for the next 6 hours tight clothing with their faces basically plotted with just to turn them into blue. Parang naging makeshift version ni sadness. And how do you immerse them into the world of Pandora? Kasi sa films, it's heavily CGI eh. Computer generated lahat. How do you make them believe? Kasi it's not just about the feast of the eyes eh, whenever HLM plays it all. It's about making every single individual in HLM, making every single tribesman in HLM believe na you are a part of the Na'vi.
Let us enter the world.
Actually, sinabi niya, follow the light, and the light is still going there.
When it comes to concept and the colors and everything, the hardest part is the implementation. Kasi you have the vision, you can do the render, but the actual is very hard to do it. And then, ngayon na we are doing expansion, nag-aaral ako, nagma-masters, and then nag-transfer pa. So, feeling ko talaga parang hindi siya mapu-pull off. Pero with the grace of God, nag-trust na lang ako. So, yun. I cannot imagine na, ganito pala yung mangyayari. And then, merong mga last-minute changes. Pero hindi yun yung original talaga, di ba? If my last-minute na changes, merong last minute ulit, di ba?
May last
Supposedly,
minute.
I will be there na parang ikukulong kami ni Sir Mike. Tapos parang lifeless kunwari. Tapos mabubuhay kami under the tree, stuff like that.
Kasi yung story syempre, di ba, kinulong kayo, tapos napunta kayo doon sa pagkita nyo, wala na, patay na sila. So, ang thing is, nandun kayo under the tree of life. Doon kayo lahat ipoposas or i-chain. Andun sila, lifeless na sila, wala na. Tapos,
ba't na-change siya?
Bakit nga na-change?
syempre, para naman ma-enjoy din ni Sir yung,
Yes.
yung idea. Kasi pagod na siya for production. Kasi kasama man siya, parang gusto niya rin malaman kung talagang maganda yung kalalabasan. Kasi it was also meant for all the CSTs and all the employees of HLM. So,
We're looking forward for what's gonna be our next year's concept.
I-reveal mo ba?
Hindi pa. Kasi we have to do the costing and everything. But I hope na it's gonna be a collaborative with J Visuals. Na-mention na.
Karon nga experience this party. Grabe ang amuang kahago. Then ang amuang mga paint face, grabe ang effort.
Excited, happy kay new experience na pod.
I'm so excited sa outcome or result ng makeup namin ngayon. So, abangan nyo na lang, guys.
Excited to see everyone in their avatar tribe.
nakakapagod. Stressful. Totoo man, nakakapagod. Stressful, walang tulog. Parang 26 pa lang, nandito na ako. Grabe yung hirap. Tapos, halos, gusto pa namin 29.
Yung napaiyak ka na. Yung parang
gusto, parang gusto nga niya umiyak ngayon.
Actually, umiyak na. Naalala mo, tumawag ka sa akin.
yung tumawag ako, sana ako magra-run sa kanya. Pero nawalan ako ng karapatang mag-run. Kasi na ganun siya, be, hello be? Siya, sige be, mamaya na lang ako mag-ano be.
Ano yung experience mo nung ginagawa pa natin yung design?
Sir,
Sige, pag-Bisaya.
sobrang daming revisions and then,
Umiyak ka ba?
hindi naman sir, pero na-stress lang. Kasi,
Halika dito, Miss Joy, halika.
Okay, umiyak siya, sir.
hindi man ako umiyak.
Umiyak ka, sabi mo na-stress ka na, di ba?
Na-stress lang, pero hindi ako umiyak.
Okay, sabi mo, naiiyak na ako, Ma'am Joy. Hindi ko na alam ang gagawin ko. Masakit-sakit na ng ulo ko sa
At first, when we actually discussed and talked about the concept, I had my inhibitions. I had my, let's say, things that I thought are impossible to pull off. But in the long run, with really scrutiny and with planning that comes with everyone else, that with the great minds that I have worked with, like the CEO himself, Lindley, with Miss Joy, with Miss Eileen, with MVR, and with everyone else who's actually hands-on with the production, everything was, successful.
event is really challenging, no? Kasi this is our first time to create something like this. I envision the creative laboratory setup na mukha siyang industrial looking at the same time, nag-elevate siya into sci-fi design. I congratulate HLM team, especially Sir Lindley, for conceptualizing everything from his vision na ingani nga concept. I salute him for creating this once-in-a-lifetime na event, avatar concept.
Avatar, the way you imagine it, it's very beautiful. Pero hindi mo na costing, hindi mo na napag-isipan ahead of time. And then, nung actual na, ito pala ang kailangan, ito pala ang mga considerations. And then ako pa na, I am very, parang crazy talaga yung gusto kong ideas. I really wanted ideas na out of the box. Kaya nga, ang brand essence ng HLM is LRJ or Lahi Raju. That means iba talaga or wow factor in everything that we do. And then at the end of the day, you know, ibibigay ang full na passion and effort na hindi parang for compliance purposes lang ba?
Di talaga usong for compliance. Kaya super pressure kami ni MP. Nag-uusap man kami. Super pressure. Kasi nga alam namin na pag dito ka, dapat the best. At the best ng the best mo.
In the world of Avatar, or in the Pandora, the Na'vi are divided into different groups naman. In HLM, it's not just one particular tribe. In HLM, every single department is working in a symbiotic relationship, complementing each other. It's basically give and take. The office base tends to support the field base, and the field base is the bread and butter of the organization that pushes for sales and collection. However, neither one cannot exist without the other. It's basically, para pagkain na lahat yung sinasabi ko, halo-halo ngayon. It's like eating burger without the patty. That does not make it burger. You have to include the patty. And if it's only patty alone, without the greens, parang di din burger. You have to include it all. It's basically a sure-pack combination.
Pagdating sa planning, maraming mga last-minute changes and then nag-aantay sila sa akin because busy nga ako, hindi ko maibigay yung story, yung script, yung render. Pero lumipad talaga ako from Manila going to Davao and we did the ocular. And meron pa palang twist kasi during the PBB mid-year event, supposedly Manila yung party. We're considering Boracay, Manila. We're about to sign the contract na sa Okada. But then, parang may last minute na changes. After the mid-year, parang random lang talaga na, gusto kong i-ocular yung the tent as well. Nung tiningnan ko siya, sabi ko, God, ma-pull off ko talaga yung gusto kong mangyari dito. Like, merong, parang two-world na immersive kasi yung gusto ko na parang, when you go there, hindi lang siya mema avatar, di ba? When you say avatar themed na party, parang sasabihin mo lang na, ay, may mga decoration na ganito, ganyan. Ako kasi, I really wanted na kung ako ang experience nun, parang hindi ko makakalimutan. And then, the good thing about doing it here in Davao, kasi I have a lot of friends here, mga connections. Kasi nga, di ba, yung course ko, Masscom, and then yung mga friends ko, mga classmates ko din sila, and then they're really good din pagdating sa production. So, nagtatawanan na nga lang kami kasi sabi nila, dati ito lang yung level na ginagawa natin, and then ngayon ito na. So, we're very happy about it, and yun. It's happy to work with them again.
Levels rising! Avatar are unlike any we've studied. We need to classify them. Dipindora, Way of Water, Ash and Fire.
Fascinating markings. Absolutely unique.
Initiate containment for the entire group. Prepare for DNA scan. Stand by. Record vitals immediately.
This tribe has extreme potential. Keep your distance. They're predictable.
We're happy naman kasi parang we live the brand values ba na LRJ, leveling it up again, all over again for the next year, for the coming year. So, it's also an inspiration on my end to really work hard even more kasi honestly, we need resources, we need funds, we need business for us to do it. And parang nakaka-inspire lang siya to level it up again. Parang next level ulit. And at the same time, nakaka-pressure. Pero, you know, that's what I like. Pressure. Kasi at the end of the day, it keeps me alive.
It's such a privilege to be one of the guest performers for today's event. I am really looking forward to not only seeing the other employees of HLM, but also to be in the moment for today.
Hi, so it's my first time performing being an avatar. It's fun. I'm excited for result after this makeup. And preparations, we've been practicing for how many days now, and hopefully we'll kill it all in the stage later tonight.
Pero nakita mo sila during the makeup,
Ano na sila, in character na. Parang ano na talaga, wow, grabe, pero nakaka-proud, promise. So after sa feeling, kasi nga, yun nga sabi ko, diba nga, ito yung reaction because of the team. Kasi all of us naman nag-effort, the office, MP, definitely, tsaka kami din, nag-effort yung lahat. Kasi nga, gusto mo kasing, diba, diba, HLM Tribe, member ka ng HLM Tribe. So, parang hindi mo feel na totally, the truly blooded HLM ka pag hindi ka talaga nagagalait. Yung mga ganun ba?
Again, kahit slow ang music, you should be on your focus or parang mindset talaga na count, always count. Count with the rhythm, count with the music. Avatar, think vengeful spirit, think revenge. Parang ganyan. Kasi Ash and Fire tayo, we should be angry.
Mamel, props. 8, 7, 6, 5.
Tumanid na. Welcome to Pandora. Let's go, Team MP! Let's go! Four, three, two, go. Bomb.
And we are Metamorphoses!
Ay, grabe kahasol. Mabitaw ang giingon sa ilahan na pwede mga lingkod rata, mga on, mag-announce sa winners, manguli. Tanawa na damay-damay pa ko ani, nahimo na tang wak-wak nino nani.
Actually guys, ako po nahimo kong avatar karon. So, looking forward to everything that's happening. Excited kay ko sa mga look, sa mga HLM people, the tribe, the different avatars. I'm excited to witness ang mga extra na mga creativity later on. Pero for now, mag-wake up ako guys and prep for my look.
Hi, Tribe! Tanaw sila. Welcome to my vlog. Very hassle, but fulfilling.
The team is really competitive.
Grabe.
Parang ayaw magpatalo.
Walang nagpapatalo. Tsaka lahat secretive. Parang lahat magaling umarte.
We're so excited na maka-perform later and sa mga panghitabo karon is very ka-fulfilling.
Eh kung imo siyang lantaon, very murag ubos ra siya.
Yeah, maupo na nga po sa
Mura siya.
Saka pagid magud ang babae. Naman ko na siya saka good tapos kundra ng kuto.
Oh, mura ra siya. In short, doon siya sa salog.
I hope they appreciate the experience, they appreciate the efforts that have been placed into this whole event. All of this passion, this talent, and this setup is all for them. Just really hoping that they'd enjoy it. So, I hope you guys would enjoy this year's year-end party and welcome to Avatar Pandora.
I cannot fully say. I think it'd be on bias if I did say na it was successful. But from the looks of it and from how people had felt, I tend to randomly ask individuals naman if they're really happy at that stage. A particular question that I made to Ma'am Ai about a year ago when I asked, Ma'am Ai, whenever we go out ba for our year-end, are we truly happy? Or are we being told to be happy? That's two different things. Being happy, which is authentic, and being told that you are happy. That's mind conditioning. Sabi niya, MRB, happy naman tayo. Because at the spark of the moment, regardless of all the peer pressures, regardless of the hectic schedules and all, the people themselves are still happy with what they're doing. And they won't stay with HLM if they weren't happy about it. So overall, I'd say, I think we pulled it off. Not certainly hitting the 100% mark, but I'd say quite satisfactorily and fast.
Right now, I have a lot of realizations then when it comes to dealing with employees and partners and the core team. Kasi parang if you hire the right people, hindi ka masistress. You only have to choose the work that matters for you and let them work their work and everything will follow. So I'm happy and see you sa next pasabog. Ito na naman tayo, nakaka-pressure but nakaka-enjoy siya. So I hope that you like it. HLM Tribe and to all our clients, it's a training for our people then na i-pull off nila kung ano yung mga value adding namin. And that's it. Bye! Happy day!
Grand champion for HLM Moves Battle of the Tribe.